and of which turachikunyara gukwandirangana ki events tia beire mense akaja kurumura ibwense akinyumuske William Ruto anyara kuireke rogo ntorara barabega ba East Africa kabagocha mono maybe mara moja ka event kamoja Samia Suluhu atakuja alafu ako kengine uone Yoweri Kaguta Museveni nako kengine uone nanio Paul Kagame ntorara bagocha mono nebo yito taliro sana. What does it make what different is it today ngamba chigota? And of course katiba yetu iko 14 years today. Hii ndio ile siku Kibaki alisimama akasema I Emilio Mwai Kibaki I do swear and blah blah blah. Ntochikunyara gukwanira yo amonayanda mange watu wa Meru wameamua kana Kameru wakarudi kwa ofisi. Unajua Kawira Mwangaza yeye venye koti ilisema Kawira is still governor, alienda kwa ofisi. She's been making the signatures there. Where arafu ama ochinaro ama kononko ama charanko yaruka this morning ako genda somo yega asa abana bari no bari mabakwegwe birogo bachigwa kamageno. I'm coming to you, please you better be ready. Kakenje ko bagete ko gechiguna inche this morning, just know inge chiri ko bogno bagete ko gechiguna inche, you won't believe it. Karibu sana na ororo birabona Tuesday it is komina kianda cha bitokiregore chinse komina ibere. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Manjumo rigeria karibu sana. Nchini konkoro kwa Clinton ndiki John kile kobeko mosingi ka gutumeti asengo chakera na sanga mange alianza kagere kwa nikiwa rituko liarero don't know why nyako baga kwebanga rituko liarero kiombe kya basagia Gen Z down the street rituko liarero kwa the one of the mega protest in line with the Katiba at
14.
Katiba at 14.
Yes.
Abasai bata biniko bagwe soke ni gerubuna nchiremo yo kwegera kwane kyune Katiba iga ngoikira ni gwere anamono they are protesting against Article 37 or say in line with Article 37 ya bere ege ko violated anamono hasaba bateba abanyanyimbo niko babiri bagotumeka chinguru gwetanya kerengo kubarina yaki yabo korengana ni Katiba yo una jona chika ko tebia Katiba at 14 ituko liarero amanga kagere kwane kumura ibwense na bwata bagani umushimo raira ngotigana na siasa chense ya Kenya abasai no on the street abari mbechi secondary bakande tibari ko enda class me weke serikali yanyare ko bake ko bategera and of course rituko liarero chitariki chigo mwanchu murire chemeronge bere naisano na ibere it is a what a world
Banana Lovers Day. Wewe ni Mukisi. Mukisi mari matoke inapatikana. Mari matoke inapatigwangwa. Rero, we are going to celebrate being Bagusi, having matoke. Tika wone sukari vya tabia Uganda. No tika sukari. Do you know how much I love aka sukari akaka sini ni kanga naiga kagusi gasmikire ga mugondo. Tika na pogo. Bo eka sukari ngero.
Nale ngange ko tayo pogo.
Na atira na pogo ndiri ko tumeka barwaire kiri kubata chinda tereime. Ere pogo. Wona eka sukari akaka sini ni kanga naiga. Ogo sabore gai Yesu wachana na za Uganda. Wewe kulata litoka leke gusi, umeti litoka leke gusi, litoka tobu yake kongete mugonda kanga naiga. Tigana na ngombe. You know ngombe pia is ours but bono litoka liruwete gusiringa na kanga naiga. Akatoke kalikago toba. Ukikula tu tatu, unapata zinuzo tatu 20 bob. Bona wanyo lia usipigete. Hayaturi kuja kwebalera. Tatu tu. Ngombe lia gusiye kuli bunyansi gali egwata mabera marito. Ai kikombe tu moja ya chai na ile mandazi tatu nini matoke tatu. Happy World Banana Lovers Day. Tukinyara go sobi ubya matoke alafu abantu baro banyire go soki value added products kurwasa matoke. In fact there is one of our colleague obereka go chariga one of our friend kurugari boka eats babwate gari chi wine babwate chi juice kama tanto ke kwana kaidli
kuna kwa te ono mwanchumo ya itukeriga Mirongo bere naisano na ibere kira umutinyo gatano na gatatu kilo mwaka we celebrated the World Banana Lovers Day na ngura saro ngorwa gusi county ya Kisii anamone ya Nyamira we are well known as gosimeka amatoka igatimedi usomora ibwense na chete nebitoka elimo in his recent visit but I'm sure nanya atako baga kwegwa
wewe unasema nini president akonyanza leo yes
immediately yako kwa rako
lea kwa hapa akipita si unajua ni barabara anapita because rero Migori yale ako Migori Kehancha Kuria Isebania Suna leo ni Migori in short na raba ke schedule ya gari akiwa pale of course para na area gweta ne libo bara runde ju bete flyover ko ngiro seko korere pale ile gora ju bachiete but when will be but shida ni ile usikizi Migori wako na airport which means Ataland huko but haina shida
so hitu ya mwanchomo igeria kurase ensemeria boka hits unajua na chika kwa tabia ensemeria ye nkwana yaito ndochie kumutwara umugeni access studio Mr. Elias Mabiria kurase ensemeria boka hits ase county ya Kisii anyara ko bakako sangana into nako tumanyobu yabwa matoke na ande ninki kira anyara ko bage korosi wa kurasa matoka ndake tikwa maitenga alitoke ndro si juice ndro si wine itoke ndro sinande iki
crips omogati koro
nani gudo mugati obasana ali nda maiti
ai yote pikwangu ina sukari gero madeli toke bina watu kwa sukari alafu mkate soft mkate yellow ai Jesus wachana na ile ya yellow ile sasa hii unaguza tu hivi unasikia utamu
igoro mwanchomo ria to sukari gekoraga ensa amo nenusu ya Von Mambi mugeni tunanya ko bakago ikirana to sange ase obwamo and of course ndo tunga ko batoko rigeria na kubwateria egati yabageni baitu batayo ase studio korento achikota ya magoba kwandra gwetera ase ensemeiga yemitanda kumanya na ari agenda in line with katiba at 14 goto sukari na mange to kwariganete na kerobo igotoga ndate kubwateria rituko ya kabere ase chisemi ase chischool secondary aiga Kenya ya beire chigo turbani ko kubwatkana no mugro yo ogendrete bwabari musekumbe ya kupet
all right of course ayuna artoch kunyara go kwanira Gen Z mtapin location mtaniambia unajua jana korocho liogiri konya kombora I was hired somewhere I was singing solidarity forever sasa leo Gen Z mkinitaji I guess I carried warm water itafanya hii kazi this morning but ayone gatia artoch kunyara go kwanira but odege can I just say how much I'm disappointed nchakirega bungomane nkore alafu tokusuka guchumutu toende
sawa
I'm so disappointed siasa ya gusitimetika kimwamwire twakwanira baraye sana abasai twabatebirikire ngana turanyare ane muno yokoreto murembe meagusi siasa yobuchayani siasa ye moko. If it was possible for you guys to impeach that woman Doya Doris Yaburi, I'm sure you could have done it. But because you don't have the power, not that indege yako mwegerera or anything, nerena bato bolemerwa in one way or another. But yesterday, by the way, inaswete gari Facebook, and kingo scrolliga nkare korora artist abanyangero including Vicky Young, nkarora actresses and actors abo bochabere bagoswagari bago tweet wose bakunyara goteba ngagusi tiga ko chando monginori the hate is too much kare gokumi what has happened goswagari comment section igokora mubaka kwa rugari utabwati magoro umai toka inbox ya mtu una miguu. That was the situation yesterday. Ngataka kumanya what exactly is not happening. Tibi chachuko tarari mitandao chia manyinga bantu bakire. In fact, there is this guy Elijah Bogita akire lige na agao mgosene lige na gusenkia akire mutua manyinga gwiteka kurumoto. Ngale kwebuli ngaiye ke yakorekana hakiye gangusi gose meru bakari kurwana bagoseri kawira mwangaza naende kuruwa obisi because naro che protest chiko korekana isko yobisi ya kawira. Mwate bamote takore gas na rabande ku bichuni babasoka bagote bakore gas. Affirmative action imukiri chi wheelchair. Ochire gari, you know, this is the same thing. Ya kore karetari kinane sijai recover tare 8 mwezi wa kwanza umwakoyo gari nyakembene. Abangina bagotu barure gari batigiri chintakana. Abangina batigiri abachokoro. Abagaka bagotu abangina batari kwenyara babegeta abana magongo bakagonki guci gari nyakembene egeti echiro abasaya abana bake bataraenda skuru batete guchikora iki basari mwacha akagwa maka masasi gari mwacha akakuruta chiti ya gasigari mwacha akakuruana ngakakanto igwana mwachiro muyega bwe kanisa bumachoge mwakorere the same mwarutire chiti ya gasi kanisa kero muntu ngoto karo chire kurigini ngana liyo monene bono gaki mamwire bakasebire mabire munyako tebya abantu abangasoki abana baino na batwara bole mabule ngana ki basoki society banare basoki to barabe basoki to bakoro busani basoki to bakonye mungino ndo sokire ne wheelchair no matter how much they hate no matter how much wetu how much is this what the wheelchair yo mwana uri arenge kwego ayekuruwe nkoro yawe imenga kiuro chekere abangina bako minyoka na abana babe birema na abagaka babe birema na babe bate babe birema onyore no mongino mo gotutigire gose na gacho koro kare kere magari na kigwate getaminyo ko monginori atame amagena mwarenge gwaka all because of the hate of one person omontayo maiga mwende gwaka magena sabire mabo kubikwe guchi wheelchair piga chitariki 24 bocho mitinyo gatana gatatu we abantu ba South Mogirango ndiri tora yunga morayo chire tutware morembe ndiri omo women rep none kro morayo pense arenge me agusi Silvano Sosoro na akere tweliogi right or wrong Jafet Nyakundi na akere tweliogi right or wrong so does it mean kereba akolire bo na hayo soke ne kiburi now you want to tell them that ushazoea are you not seeing abantu bage to magena mbarabi what is your problem you people my friend narenge gutware kibuke mambi ya rero manya kwegwa mariete nonte we ulirusha mawe mkwarenge gwanchera na what I could have done today you couldn't but obuno buchinga obuno buchi ndiye taki wakaramiru lya koromaundi bradio maga I don't know if that used to make you mad Hii jiga pesa 8 tongoro 8 mokoroki na hizo vitu in fact vira nase bikoli byaine bisaku byaino bivaira nere na akoli
kanyo maji manchumo
kombe kuri
Umanchumo Rigaria Noroboturugo chana, but of course it's becoming a norm as a siasa.
It is not becoming a norm.
It has been happening and it might not be ending anytime soon. As I mentioned various examples, Korutua Chagete, Koruseko Chukura Chia, Umakavich Veremeronge Vere, Naivere Chia, Eretokung Sana Quave Siasa, Quavere, Emega Voturbanua, Eve Yamatanga, Eve Kanisa, Eve Nayoko, and which will Checho, Eve Nemero Video Sangreria. We've witnessed this and namono hase okunsano kogegati yabara. I don't know what is happening lakini korende we've condemned we've condemned chiburaburu ase chikanisa asama the bawa setia gasi kurutu. We've condemned asama tanga
yes
amate ekorera oyo mwabo sirre lakini ndi chiburaburu chene kiwa all because of politics. We've also condemned chiabere chiko hapene ase imechango yoko konya aidha chikanisa bose ebyombe bose abana bali bakogenda kiseme cyabo, and we are still condemning chiburabura se meiga yoko konya kwa bantu bali menteno bali ment. It's very unfortunate. Abaka bande I was seeing musubati oyomo because of what we are ngoro tagara turase kagetari ketambe musubati omo otabwata magoropi ochete no mumroye bako mumroye ari gukwana lya gotebanga mamu mwaba morete te kare bya ache gukwera ensemeria because amore tanyo obokonya chite konyora all of a sudden bogaturubani one time think kya vete because onye no muntu otate abantu baye ku wheelchair abare ma batate te wheelchair ose what was really happening. Lakini then in as much as tawata siasa chagusi chiabere chigo twara okungusanana women Republic County ya Kisii of very gago twara chinga gichin kongusana. I don't know what is happening. Maybe into chikubwaterera tokumanya lakini kurende tutora sange birangari ase obo imeri to tugeria singe ndo chegati ya bananchi mbaga ntekura ebirangari yabagaiga asense mwe comment molere kitokura ase studio akabere tigara to bekira oroboti ruwa donya mheshimiwa Donya Aburi kiranya tukoba ega kugikire chibura bure cyo chene gitwa sense mwe ya South Mugirango hasari kubwato ko bokonyo bubwichi wheelchair buchi asaba menyi events meyo ya nyakeyo.
In fact kera to ukora gotegerera roboti oruntu chikunyara gotegerera rware chotundo nere namuro chine sogeti she's among politicians to abiri to korra bago soke. In fact era abatebeting let it not be about nga siasa chia basu, let it not be about women today and of which you go to irase to chikunyara gokwanere katiba at 14 rit koliare it is katiba day. In fact to chikunyara gokwanere about one of the things turanyara wekerania se katiba the issue of two-third gender rule, but it seems like what wanatumia the little women in politics. Na some women pia wenye wamekwa pale kwa politics they are using their positions vibaya. Turanyara kwenda bakagali nyakeyo yaringe. Okay.
But people living with disability wako 90. So tulikuja kuwapatia ma tricycles na wheelchairs na kuna wale wengine pia huwa hawana vitu za kutumia. Kufika huku mawe zikaanza kurushwa. Though mimi kama mama county nimezoea hizo vitu za mawe kupigwa. Nimekuwa kama salamu. Mtu anakupangia alafu anarudi nyuma. Na security agencies wanajua. Hizi sio ni vitu hawajui. Na mimi siwezi lia tunapigwa. Gunism Kisii ni kama habari ya asubuhi, unapangiwa vizuri sana. Wanapanga na chuma, wanatembea na mawe na wanatembea na marungu. So mimi siwezi sema mambo ile security nafaa kufanya, but gunism Kisii ni kama kukula ugali. Tumezoea kufurushwa wakati tunasaidia na hatuwezi acha kufanya kazi. Tutaendelea kufanya.
Naitwa Esther kutoka Itago, niko na mtoto mlemavu. Nimekuja hapa katika Nyakeyo Primary School nipate kusaidiwa na wheelchair ama baiskeli ya mlemavu apate kutumia kutembea nayo. Lakini vile tumefika hapa kumekuwa na mvurugano, hatujakuwa na amani ili tusaidiwe na mama county.
Kwa hii kitendo kimetendeka katika Nyakeyo Primary School ya kupiga walemavu. Sasa wanatakana wapatiwe viti wheelchairs na mama Tonya. Ni makosa kubwa sana. Yule aliorganize hii kitu awache walemavu wasaidiwe.
Sub County Police Commander Itago. Leo very early in the morning. Today very early in the morning, sorry. We received a distress call from our SCC-1, Itago, that there is a likelihood of attacks during Madam Donya's visit to Nyakeyo Primary School. So we planned and managed to address the situation. There are goons which are also well known within our area. They came, pulled down the tents, but we managed to arrest some who are now in the cells, pending to be charged before court. Now we are doing a follow-up to make sure the rest are also being brought to book.
ndende batano no kuguruguru abandi babegete abantu bandi bakugirira abandi ki abana inchi bari kuoga boka bakubangu bamanya kuoga akira wana abantu bandi babegete bakugirira abandi that should tell you a unit stake on it teyo ndagete ko that is a shame before the head of state kaya head of state achiri gaiga to suppose to concentrate kumubori ato konye ase chi program ne chi projects yara nyako to konya ntori supposed to kokole bintu bigurunga petty politics na tueta ine we should come back into in our own twanya kurwana gana kugerera ka tole ntweka but we should not show it before the whole nation because that was a shame lakini ndageza kwa tawanga that is not about oburai buomongena it is not about it was about kiara mongena abangena barabera abuchu women rep babo line babera abangena nkurunyemira mbanya kugererwa. So this was a special case. So we don't want to say it was discrimination to the women. We want to say that this was a special case. It is them who know what they are doing. But what I can tell the woman repokisi, because in two women, other men, so for women it's not the same. It is her who should play her politics well. Number two, tanya uturangir nani ntoba kungu inde nantitwa borora ntitwa matani in any case but once you are elected by the mobilization nenga stia koleta ta ko mobilize abantu ba ile nikaba konyora abantu bakumungira abantu batongumiro bakum-support. She could have also done her role and I want to say it is unfortunate thing that happened. It is not about women ana basacha kugerera bali muri no nyane karo to alenge junction the president ya lengo romo mosque chafet no gerere so it's not about the women issue. This is not women issue. Affect the men. For that reason, our woman rep should go back to the drawing board. Where she went wrong, what she's doing wrong, according to be right. So that I was because from there starting to be around before anyway. That is not the first time before. Now if she's not able to recheck and see where the problem is, then that means
alright, hicho nechinsemo chianyakeyo ichitikogera nayo soki nasomera abantu litkulia lero and of course we can't fail to say what the few that has been happening. There are some clips chitaso geta se media. In fact musubati nara lirogo tebanga ateti abasacha mbabu atibongo amaskani tubaire busa asomo yegoyo so ebintu mbirona birobyo na intu abangina twarigererie ebintu togokwane erende narukira banta maochi lakini ndaba naruka maochi mbali bakwimukia magena bachigwa kebirema umuntu okwimukirige na ochiguhaka naboroche pia begana abana naba abantu emyaka au lakini bale nobolema au it is not fair, it is not okay, it is not honestly na ekerogote na gwate yabaga kamba bwate bongo nga Delaila nkia korete Samsoni nganda mwekera abore tikunkiari era litunda ngate bete mama itugutumia bongo I don't know ekerogote bigento bunekyo. Those are some of the behind the scenes tutanya arete kobeka but what is sad is the reply korwa somo de omo women rep ekerago kwana igona kekera ndo chino edonya gotebanga akorukwa ngajeria kiruba gotebanga donya for sure apunguze mdomo. As you saw yesterday mkutano she said amezoea kurushiwa mawe. Instead of being humble to wananchi apunguze hasira itamaliza kabisa. By the way, I don't know for how long tu abiri tokunyana gokwa ni red temper ya donya is the representative of hasira ya Mkisi. I remember even when liya kwa nitia banta kogereru nyari bari chache era tebete arugete turabonda go charukera arati buna akanira banta ko batayibaka numono. You see, I think that kind of response which is mwananchi doesn't make sense. Alafu Eriko Sora watabanwari following koruke umbugali iri taro ndo kumochera gotebaniga gotomengora yae as accident ya nyosia. By the way, we'll talk about the same litkuria igoro twasiretie tu boda drivers babe maiso kigima agotebanga tiga boda drivers babe maiso gose drivers bonse babe maiso kigima ekero bale ase chipara. We are going to talk about that. Then kanomba no nchiri ngwasome ujumbe ya gotebanga kuruotachi igoma mugacho nyamachi bo basi enjoying every moment of the program. Mchoyo choya watabanga niko ndani yenyoni na Clinton na Joan hadi tamati ni Hillary kutoka Nyagesenda. Jared Kagaka abeba Oyugi wataba kutoka Kisibo Ngonta pamoja na my wife Judy. Ano kumuchera watabanga yes Joan kwamboka ekionege kore kebekegima tiga ekero mogoturubanie mikutano tigakera politicians bai gwiri baga gokora magenderero tiga guturubanie mikutano ndiro ba muganya gari bu machoge bakamubwati nchera bakamwaka magenororo. I'm not saying that they do the same, but at least can you not do asabang na baiga because oyo chakorigo bakonyi taringa ngi gwa fodi witche omanya go chakorigi taringa ekiga chakorigi ngana kebwate. So can we please stop whatever you want to do. Ekere mogo bueno lirorio ngarenge gokonya I don't know. And anyway narosire gokwandira the same nche narosire Dominic Omondi korusirare boda agoteba mbiyande meyo moroberio na mwaye Josi M mpako mweli obo moroberio. Of course webire kombekera abana Angela amona Peter timeti go seba achire skuru. Joshua Mbuyatirimba from Nairobi Ruben Center na wife ya Edor Kakerubo na beloved son Carlton Tirimba wako pamoja. Jira Kerubo yu yae wasoma? Okay. Oteba bwakire bya Kurumanama Bahrain Kingdom all the way to my home Kisii County Kanyimbali Mwakiage village. Abatebanga na bibuli ba Samuel Ongeri na the husband oibire maumwa Maria Ongeri kyo kwebiro munginonde lero Tuesday ngokumyori. Pika ndongi mbeke my mom Maria Ongeri. Your husband Ben na bana Masidgar Macdotak ndugu na dada mashabiki na bategere libonse na Kisii staff batwaliri tukoligya Murwani George Mwereza gotebanga watching live Kuruma Bay. Thank you so much. Honorable Julius Musomba goteba kurwa makara matutu settlement scheme Nyamira County tuned in. Numeta makara siko toko ndige. Makara nguchigale asti cool kids chigotoka. Sasa unaona ukifika tu makara kwa menya goswa guchi nyansiongo. Now hapo ndo kwanza makara na babwate. Bono in fact makara ali no ba kwa ne scheme gochimate. That is a scheme bono. Utaranyara kwenda bono gochi settlement chindi cyago simba utiro gora gochi nyansiyongoro goro gochi matutu gochi kiango na makara nere gochaka mata. Gokoru kwerende kyakoro gokoru metamaywa. Bwagende gakoswa gochi kibirigo apo sasa ndiao watu wanapatikana. No bari meyo moroberio no kumochero of course nere twabo kanera uteba good morning watching live korusebane boda wakire byenya sayo mwanche iroro ritkolinda kuganira staff bao korana bwegasi customs Kenya mona customs Tanzania subu njema pia wezi sahau mamo mwabo bacheba kwamboka koruchense muchiri chabyo ndo mubyombe mwanyabando atwale emambi enyororo. Asante sana bone gati abaria bagenda tokotoma chuzumbe gari Facebook astogotoka buna Kisii TV namba ya simu ya studio 0768-719-470 na rubegere namba WhatsApp namba gutuma ujumbe au gutnya ko batoko sangana ko yasoma keratoka ndatase mu video hiyo. Okay. Tutaraska bosio rinde to kwandre omubasukano ene getigwa sensemo ya Kiumbu twate bangu kumanya tore wote inarano tore katiba at 14 constitution yensi ya Kenya article 27(8) ya 2010 niko wone gotebanga the state shall take steps to ensure that not more than 2/3 of members of all elective positions and appointed positions of the same gender. 10 years after the promulgation of the Constitution 2010, this is yet to be enacted. Of course. Andake amakabwa amaika igase serikali yaeta asinari baikirete baka takako teyo yokabiro muraibwensu mheshimiwa kanta atuterare bunge asingenjotiari baikirane. And of course to asiru so far we don't have a legislative relevant legislative ya bekiro gochokwana kya 2/3 gender rule yengo ikirani gwere kerego kwana especially elective positions never appointed positions one kirende chibwenta koba edinde chia favor the other gender to avere tokora bado it's not favor in the 2/3 gender rule. Narenge ko igere rikuru Kenya nyara ko nyoro busibore bwae kanyara guchaka kwegambera konye in fact bataranyara koreta ekatibe ntangani kabisa ya nyarete ko koru it was in 1964 kire banyarete ko rugusie kire ko kibo prime minister bakabeka the president. And as time went by kire ko bwati katiba gocha bagoteba how the constitution used to serve the president. In fact, there was a time the late President Jomo Kenyatta changed the constitution overnight to state that the president can do anything, anytime, any day, anytime. He can do anything that he wants. He can fire people. He can replace you anytime. He can swear you, and as a appoint anytime no question swear. He had all the powers, even on people's lives. I remember even there was a time in Kenya between 1974 to 1979, katiba ya change 8 times. Nanipata. And some of the times katiba, when I can feel the katiba was not fair. In 1982, the late President Daniel Moi kira rochenga ochakire koiguri bells vasoire vasiasa. Do you know what he did to the constitution? Walikuja pale afternoon and they remanded the constitution. Ndio akasema anybody who wants to vie for the presidential party should come from KANU. Kama uko KANU unatafuta kiti ya president. Wengine wote, those are just dreams that are not valid. Imagine a constitution being amended like that, daishapita kwa house, and from tomorrow it is effective. Until 1991, that is like 10 years. The constitution bado favored the president. Na dibashite kubeka now multi-partyism yegatoko kwanera boniga. Of course, the constitution by the time yaringe 2005 kwenye katiba ya onchole mara 30. Imagine in Kenya. Yet in the United States wikiraboniga wamebadilisha mara 23. So we are talking about 2005. So the 31st one was the 2010. That is the longest serving constitution so far. 14 years down the line, there are some things in the constitution that should be implemented. But this constitution, in fact, Gen Z, they are freely protesting. They were given freedom of speech, freedom of movement. Wasungugali with the president. Sijui umefanya makosa gani, wasungugali, ukihukumiwa kifo unanyongwa and everything. Now people were better given a life sentence. Kubuwawe death sentence. Now abantu bakanyora freedom of speech. Mwate kutumia venye munataka. Mwasa mere president, it wasn't there. The previous regimes and everything. And of course, the constitution of 2010 tolerated devolution. I don't know, Clinton, can you feel the impact of devolution so far? Because serikali county, because you feel serikali nene wacha tuwapatie serikali ya county. Pale kwa serikali ya county tuwapatie governor, tuwapatie deputy governor, women rep, senator, na MCA. Now, I don't know what's about Ikire Mashinani.
Yes, Constitution 2010, no, whatever is the longest serving, because at least, yeah, they go solve some of the issues. There are 30 times which
yes.
Amended, but then there are some articles, some of the provisions na ndaunu kuonekana bariba wengine walihusika kutengeneza abandi bari bari go push for it na baba tabanga at least likiranete almost around 70%. Kwende 30% yetigarete tiranyara ko bakegekirana including the two-third gender rule
na corruption, curbing corruption in the country.
Egati yari togenda tego tabanga tarikirana asenchiri erengia nande nchiranjira bekubyecho kwane kyona lakini ngo wakere for devolution it's good asenga nchome tena wanye ivanda bantu Nairobi bagachire bao the birth certificates ki passport, but nowadays courtesy of the 2010 constitution saina bo oko onyora services ki serikali ase obwange and don't see as so devolution it's working in terms of government service delivery, again in terms of leadership and especially political leadership, we are not doing so good. But in terms of government services which are close to the people, now we are getting the main aim we are devolution, so that abantu Montutaru, Kisumu, all the way mpaka Nairobi, Montutaru Garissa igora.
Toigia bisio mbunge.
Unafuata mbunge wako squeeze ba.
Akwa CDF.
Squeeze hivi ntonobire within you au kwa soka tuiga. as a uranga. That is what we can be proud of.
Muko na possibility ya kusalimia watu any day anytime.
The issue ya kuprotest na boko soka, you know, you got morosi petition muende na ofisi ya governor, mtebe tunamtaka kumuongelesha hapa hivi. Na boko soka, you protest, you picket, you know, that is the other good side of a constitution area. But in as much as I again rate nchiro orojite very sensitive kitara ikirana, but provisions nchiga ndrekove kwa that's all tabanga committee chikonya koveku so that tuarigere kiganga kyokoro ikirande kyabeku kiratoka ndata iko tutaifikisha 100%. Of course hakuna constitution worldwide ikirane 100%, at iko United States, iko in UK, nchikirane chance, but a good percentage nkonyorore chirebuya yende tikarete nerobone ko. That is why we have parliament yana ko legislate laws every day, and now and again wanna go rectify at the end of the day.
But now Gen Z, they feel like they should change the constitution. Bachakire gusangereri signatures igoro, that is what they were doing. Usangereri chisei bategete baiki 1 million elio banyare ko rete referendum. Remember, we have been on the same shoe a few years ago, two years ago. The Building Bridges Initiative, BBI, the same was done. Kero muntu akamanya BBI ya etire, but BBI kaanguka pungulu and ninio, everything went left, south and everything. Now other side watching an initiative now, them they want the referendum done, some things changed from the constitution, but abange babone go babege to be arabuni kurigoro wamelala ndani, and niliona pale wakisema bagosa banga ikifika leo, because it is the 14th anniversary ya katiba, ikifika 1400 whatever you are doing, pause. Toka nje kwa barabara.
It has been happening in terms of Abasaya who push for the referendum. Whatever was in BBI was in order, was good, and maybe to those who initiated it, it was good. The problem the only single problem to follow the law within that constitution. I think in Chokero yareko igetika Supreme Court. Number one, umuntu ko initiate ta when to initiate onye bamanya mapema, where they could have even sent someone outside as a within the power hiyo mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta go propose on the same na some ways to collect signatures, few technicalities of which I believe onye Gen Z's whatever they have knowledge, whatever they work on that. I think we all learn from mistake. Onye BBI hated it because of these few mistakes. Bago chiko work on it. It can happen. Anyone can initiate a referendum. Ni mheshimiwa Uhuru Kenyatta as a capacity ya that when go push for opposite changes in what he did. Otherwise, Gen Z is another form of BBI. They are within the rights.
But again, I think there is a change of conversation when we are talking about the constitution, because previously a constitution go say katiba yabere go favor barai, and this time we are having a constitution where the people using the politicians, abantu bali babeera ase siasa nabo babeere main ambassadors bokunyara gosukuma the constitution. In fact, I was looking at the constitution. You see this constitution 2010, among the big abantu banyarite gutaremense ya Kenya saying no to the constitution, it was William Samoei Ruto. Ekera lengo mwaziri wa agriculture. In fact, mpaka ikafika kapigwa suspension over the same Kurwase docket ya agriculture. He walked all over the country to say no to the constitution. Omuntu kuna Kalonzo Musyoka era tarite mensi ya Kenya voting yes for the constitution. Eugene Wamalwa ekera lengo mbunge, he voted yes for the constitution. Raila Amolo Odinga no arengo mustari busekere barenge go change constitution, but right now, yes, now that constitution maybe etete because arenge for the people, and then BBI yamanyere gocha a sovereign for the people, and now we have youths. Now we are having the people. Hakuna mwanasiasa initiating this. People they want the conversation to change the people. Now when the people let us change this conversation, let us change this referendum, why is it becoming so hard? Because if BBI, it was easy to get 1 million signatures, you can't tell me they can't collect 1 million. But if BBI was supported even the sitting president, do you expect this one to work? Na wale wenye wamekuwa kinishate wengine wamelala jela tofauti.
Yeah, if the process ya collect signatures itakuwa legit, that now needs IBC, number one IBC.
What is the legit process of collecting signatures?
Yeah, there is a process. If the collecting signatures itakuwa na dosari, hiyo process imekufa on arrival, because hawa watu wanatoa hizo signatures KID chabo ikachibe original signature ikuwe ni authentic, na hii process ikuwe ni hawa watu mbaro mete na wora beke umunta sirite kare ke bandi kya kero you forge signatures. We've had cases signatures chiko forged. So if the process you collect signatures is legit, the process will go through. Abanda bago initiate this process na bago push this process babe na bantu bare allowed constitutionally obose bare na capacity yo push this thing.
But ondigi a video nero yaberike go trend korugoro. There is this gentleman obwate biashara gari Moi University around a block toro chika university kutoka abantu mbara obwate biashara au and askari wakifanya round check kuna askari mmoja aligonga vioo za duka yake, and you know abuna surrendered, which means you are going to use your money to replace. Na wakapanda gari wakaenda. So this guy ran after the police, akaruka pale ndani ile gari na akatandika askari na akashuka akaenda. Imagine a situation like that. Then it makes me ask, where did we fail in the Kenyan constitution? What is it that is not being implemented? Because already the 2/3 gender rule we all agree ya very ngumu sana kunyara ku implement, despite kunyara kuleta nomination seats ngabaswati bego to cover the 2/3 gender rule, no ekeroke wa women rep kobeku to cover the 2/3 gender rule pale kwa bunge, various nominations. In fact, with this government abaswati babere bako nyora mabaga sana, but we still not meeting the 2/3 gender rule, because maybe that one nabatoko tebanga the culture that we were raised in yabira konkunyara kumempower muswati aswase siasa and meeting the 2/3 gender rule. But leaving that aside, rero amandamano yiri kulia rero yabasaye ayua Gen Z ayua raliwa uchikonyara wakorekana, do you think it is going to happen?
Yeah, it is going to happen. Abasaye babere bago kwa nanda bakora. I've never seen them talk.
No, in fact, we are charged.
No, what is triggering them now? Yesterday and today, because everybody knew on Tuesday.
Do you just learned about it last night around 9:30 p.m.
These guys have been preparing, knowing that on Tuesday, 27th of August, itakuwa ni katiba at 14. So they prepared Mbama Ete what was happening. They have the timetable, Mbama Ete ngocha. So they will be out. But now with the events going around, we expecting a lot of mayhem and chaos, because abali mume tembale para.
Yes.
So abasaiba soka para watakutana. Abageni mbale baroro. So be sure the main roads will be out of bounds. On the going to Chivasorro, Ngomera no na banyanyimbo. So umuraibwense na wale the tour the Luo Nyanza. Of course abantu ba Luo Nyanza mpaka anete atugomi atuandamani ndochikonya arakabato kuriere komanyanga mbachigwa sokya. So we are expecting a lot of mixed reactions asiri tuko riarero, but rende ntuchiko batuko bwateria katoka ntako celebrate the katiba then tumanyanga bono onya bari mu na barabunko kubare bakora singincho na Mombasa ndoro chambata keteko tango abasaba mbachigwanchiru bagendre, because if you violate this article 37 you then ikatiba at 14, what are we celebrating then? So ni kama ni mtihani nyingine tena.
Okay.
Kuhakikisha wango hapa askari abaiga onye it's katiba at 14 years ingine no mogo to bwadera, because article 37 iganera se katiba igatogo celebrate.
Wow, asante sana mwancho muligererio KCTV. It is katiba at 14 yanyarite gweti washitariki ya merongevere na isana ibere umutinyu gatano na gatatu mwaka bwikiri bubere na 10 back in 2010 na ekero kunyara kuira na maigo mwancho muligererio nyare kurigereria ebintu bya nyarite kuira baka 2010 a constitution ekanyara gweta most of the people abanyarite go breathe in, because it was after the 2007 clashes. ya Chiguraburu chiri chako rekani mwaka 2007-2008. So konyara gusukuma peace. I remember Kofi Annan stayed in the country for like 2 years. Ako tukolina ndega abantu bana Nairobi batafadhali rudi. We need peace kindly. And when the constitution ya nyarite kueta tukarura changes come, and part of the changes tukarura babo William Samuel Ruto is the president and the former president Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta bako iru Hague, Raila Amolo Odinga baka iru Hague, and whatever Kenya rekobakego korekana around that time until today egertokunyara guchengira katiba at 14. They might think what are some of the hits and what are some of the misses. Now the other day who are we having? There is this guy, was it Joey Rungu was sentenced to death?
Yeah,
he was sentenced to death. Abantu bakaboringa, I thought tulikuwa tusha move on from that. Abantu bakateba yes, the constitution still has judgment wose konyara kuna chiruogo kwa korende, that means utaka jela all your life. And twarodro montako beku life sentence asejela. I don't know how different it is, but it is still the same thing happening. But kitoko chengera katiba at 14 gatunyare kuinyori obosibore bwaituntu bunaba Kenya tukunyara gusanga naba Kenya au litkoliare ro katiba at 14 naba saiki bako tukunyara gosoka kindly stay safe. Mbaro barari da bange mbaro bado bari chichera mbaro bado bataratoka kurwa mandabana wali mutinyo gatano alimo na gatano na kabere yokimo kunyara gosoka litkoliya rero. Maybe your intentions are good, but make sure that you do it the right way. Don't provoke the police. Where your rights end, that is where the rights of the other one begins. So kindly mosalie biashara byabanto. Today we are having the various politicians ama stakeholders ama supporters wa AU bid. They are coming in the country. Korchinse Chaisiko, the EAC especially Ngochabari Mensi ya Kenya, courtesy of invitation. Like ile unapatiwa cha ini yako ukuje tunatangaza Raila Amolo Odinga siku ya leo. Na wewe pokea yako. I don't know kuna nchi yenye kupokea, but wanakuja. We are watakuja. Ondigi let me just...
Yeah. Wanakuja.
Mashujaa Day no. President alikuwa sweared in September. October tukaanza na Huduma Day. Tukakuja tukabadilisha akina hii Huduma Day wameitumia vibaya. Moi Day, Huduma Day, Utamaduni Day, nao ni siku ya kupanda miti. I don't know. But now tulikuwa na holiday gani? October the main one, was it Mashujaa Day? Mashujaa Day akere ya korekana, that was the first event the president hosted. Aki hawakukuja. Let us be honest.
So
I don't know, we had Paul Kagame.
Hawakukuja juu they were not invited. You know that this is a state function.
No. You are not invited.
You get crash.
You are not invited.
Yeah, you can't come.
You go there because you are jirani celebrating.
No.
You know.
No. That is a state function. Imagine you are storming mkutano ya Kagame.
But you want to tell me Ruto ile siasa yote yalipiga campaign and everything. You want to tell me akualika wakuje? No, he invited them, they never came.
No.
If
someone can't come, sends a vice president, a prime minister.
No, they never came.
The ambassador of that country and attend. That's simple. Kama hakukuja, jua ambassador wake alikuwa. Kama hakukuja, alituma vice president ama alituma minister.
But we've been seeing a difference with the regime ya Uhuru. They used to come kama wote, you know. Yeah. We used to see them around. But now with the regime ya Ruto, as much as yeye ameenda zote, in fact zingine mpaka amerudia, we are not seeing them come like we used previously with the other regimes. I don't know what is the gap, but that is why I'm worried. Who is going to show up and where are they going to show up? What if wakuje na bado waseme tulikuja hapa juu ni Raila anatangazwa? What will it mean to Ruto?
Before we proceed, we just break so that turudi na magazeti. President William Ruto is the best president in terms of mobilizing. Hakuna Kenyan president onyako invite almost 20 heads of state to the country. Hata ikuwe ni founding father, the late Kenyatta. Hata ikuwe ni Moi, ikuwe ni Kibaki. Ruto has mobilized 19 heads of state. Atago, Peka and Stega, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can count 19. Not Uhuru did it, not Kibaki, not Moi, not Kenyatta. That man mobilizes. He's a political mobilizer. So we are expecting our watu kukuja. Inauguration yake ilikuwa na watu heads of state 11, I think 11. So there was supposed to be more than 24 something. So 11 walikuja, wengine walituma vice president. So Ruto mobilizes. And now that we join forces with the political heavyweight Raila Odinga, you will feel it. You will even be surprised kuona ma former presidents. Not only presidents.
Hey,
Former presidents. Wakikuja.
Sasa Uganda wanaleta former president Mugabe. Okay, that was a dark humor. Uganda jamani.
I'm sure watakuwa. And of course Museveni will lead.
Na Rwanda. Anyway,
but East Africa, what are they around?
Again, Odigi, I don't know. There is this aspect of the broad-based government. Eugene Ziva Veribago Sokana Gokana Kigima. I don't know, when we are celebrating Katiba at 14, there is the issue of tribe. I don't know, will it be over? And do you feel that with the broad-based government ukabila imeisha?
Ishaisha. Ilisha kitambo.
Yetu Wajaluo wamesema sisi tuandamani ndio mtu wetu aliyekuwa kwa serikali.
You saw Junet.
Yetu watu wa Coast wamesema sisi Joho alipewa nafasi so atuendi maandamano.
Junet alisema je ongea mbele ya rais. It was the first time this weekend yenye imepita.
Walipatana pale Kakamega.
Alimwambia mimi sijazoea kuongea mbele ya rais, hizo nini protocol observe ajui. But now wameanza kuongea.
Yes.
You know, I saw James Orengo, one of the project Tumreven Sare Kolon Chigari, I think it was Nandi County. James Orengo alipata nafasi akaongea. You know, in the president's convoy, wale watu wenye walisema they will not interact with the government. And you mentioned Ruto this week Nware Nyanza. But ukabila imeisha.
But
the problem we are having it haijaisha vizuri Mount Kenya. But itaisha very
Mulima.
Kwa Mulima.
Kwa nini mnataka Dania aende kuomba aombe wapi? Anaombe Mulima, you guys. But for the Gen Z, don't you feel they're going to lose out so much if they don't decide to be leaders, to have leaders and have a party?
Without a good structure, and of course they failed from the word go. They don't have a leader.
We are leaderless, we are partyless, we are
walifika mahali
tribeless.
Unafika mahali unapata wanatoa conflicting statements.
Kesho
tuko maandamano hatuko. Kafika mraibu seri yako prepare something like the excess pesa komera na wananchi, you find few they support abande bakana. Abago support wanaitwa wasaliti. But at the end of the day you find ba mwire kuikaransa to negotiate. At the end of the day they make sense. Abande batigara at their own. Walianza vizuri.
Mimi leo venye Gen Z wanasema wanataka changes na mimi niko pale kwa president. Hii nafasi mpaka nipate. Sitabaki hapa nikikula mdomo. You know, so uliona Salim Swale alitokea jana. He's crying, apologizing jameni to Musalia Mudavadi. Alafu Musalia Mudavadi akatangaza director wake wa communication. He's never announced till yesterday.
Opportunity used
and Kenyans were there to tell him I missed loot. Nyandika Bena utakanga watching live Kurugembo Mosora Nyamache sub county ni journalist Nyandika Bena, asante sana aso kunyara ko wate morobirio wenye ni mambia lero Henry Ochoki daktari kuteba Kuritibo City Kisi County niko ndani tuned in hadi tamati ya Kongoi Gerebi Nyabonya kuteba tuned in from Saudi. Pozi tena pozi kabisa. Alright, tunakwenda paka sehemu za Saudi. Na wewe tupeleke sehemu nyingine ya studio kindly.
Kideka ikomi cha utokero mwanchomo rigeria kona tora sensemo ya kabere toso sensemo ya magazeti torigeria karatoka nite komo ganyomo gonito studio to chuko kwandra aria agenda takwanika kurwase ritu kerigario gochengera amatoka namono kurwase ekauntiga ya Kisii, and of course ntwachika kwa tevia we are trying kurigia senior councils, advocates, our learned friends, Tevi, Katiba at 14, what it means. Kitura cheko banyora, tuchu sange masemo, tokomanye what is happening around kero ensi ya Kenya gantego chengere miaka ya 14 ya Katiba ya 2010. Nchini bonkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi, ngoja natora seka geteregeta.
John kwa bukana directoriane director Mtongo Kenya, back to in studio.
bwate tarike gucakira chitariki ibere cy'umutinyo kyanda Mechi Maburo.
Nyatije ndigereri ngauchaka kutwara ubwene mbongo bwana okwengera nomadoni nango boy tako choncho chenchi change chobegete waisogete muno muntu iwita yakawanji bono ngane chikwayo kuchibonika
nemere mende ne rotigare utabia sitakora ara no mo sina gutwira matubia site bakwari ngikurusi bachandiro mu muro bande ko ore irosirego
inchomete inchomete tinta tibikori bina binta wani garo chinechi ngori gya bantu kaiga followers nke 100k followers nari umete nari ngori gigunona abasani abana bakondi nchikobe vixen alafu ona yaga igogonte bingati ne cyber kora town umete nchobo sioro rio buna bunta tageti tigando rikisabiri omtona aro ranya kutoretio bu nonsense
okoenda gari natanyora abasani batugorrekende totenge bakabokise bono nande ntunya kuirana igo buraro guse tuanyorire already ase tore togotene akortari gosa kunyomunai
oye mangana yakuru
ntebi yange sababu enene nkina chayiru lakini tato mintoni
soka ngochiga oire ranti ya ochimena ntara miamingi gorobo nga manje bwacha kunyi amanje ngendo ochia
saliri
Buyande.
Nake wachenchiriga. Nazinto zinagwa chenchiri wakinire.
Nche ngoro abana gusenya sana.
No, kirabo kunguyo nkomange na kyotanyo meirore seino. Tatsomi no muntu bwate chibesara kiya sencho yokobe extravagant. Nabakungu bakamukura. Agatiko mukungu mona gachikonyo manyoko. Kwa kuboneka yo afata rumontore onananserevo.
Korore ntunkira kare kudike. Ono okumino kamuna wendorore.
Ago ngoba mwete ni muri boy muri ka. Wala mwete ko ba kampaka. Ko baita nata. Oyo wala ko. Ochi. Oyo ko. Oyo wala.
Muwa kugwe. Najibesa. Kuwa kandre yak. Alganero. Na wate bi utema.
No me da ngoro. Chinza chindogotema kora musoro urarengerera. Omanye mwangole litangani. Igai kor kunga mwage sare.
Bwati omugano oyo iga eyemo aseyemo Mechi Maburo.
Ota Studios. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Twatire kuma maine twatire kuma Keni Uhuru maine ochire kuma Keni Uhuru maine ochire kuma Uhuru Superstores.
Uhuru Superstores neduka egotoka imemo chokisi eyo egokoneria ebinto au oragani ase nka yao ase amagoria insemono. Uhuru Superstores nigebwate ebinto byo tumeka nyomba bunabono obosibwe chitabati bwe brand au eskari amabuta y'ekingeni obosibwe korugera kisabuni amabere nebinto binde evinge boigonko ne bale ebinto byo kwagachira bunabono amabati y'eki brand au buna MRM na dumu amabati y'ekikala au ayo akwewa ase e warranty emyaka 5 nebere goika emyaka 15 na boigonko ne bale esimiti konye bale deformed bars chitanki cha mache chi size au emesumari crown paints nebinde evinge Uhuru Superstores boigon korentra bali amoyo obotumeka asomogondo ayore DAP urea CAN boigo chimbusuro cha Kenya Seed boigon konya bali
aye nsibere binde bibwangu bangororaje mongino na byaganye tepara nande na bako chenje gari by the way aya yere go juru superstore igaika no ri tiburi agorire ayo muntu uri obwate biashara by the way nabono kamati yano imote byatege ibintu byegiosi kinobire ga bionde bichungu nzima aya yere go juru superstore nande ri bori
asa mange batare ase duka yabo imemo chobo songo ase amagacho a Ouru complex ange roundabout ya gitari ya General gose KTRH barabare nebengi ya Credit Bank gose obakire simi goitira se number 01111615500 nabo igona bokubarikira email otomase info@ourusuperstores.com gose customer care@ourusuperstores.com boigona bogotara website yabo ya www.ourusuperstores.com. Ouru Superstores, guaranteed quality product at the lowest prices.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Bwate tarike gucakira kitariki ibere cy'umutinyo kyanda mechi maburo.
Nyatiji ndigereri ndikachaka kutwara ubwene ngongo bwana okwengera nomatoni ngo nango boy tako chocho chenchi change chobege tu Oye soke tomuno muntu iwita yakawanji bono ngane chikwayo go chibonika
nemene mende ne rotigare utabia setakora rara no mo sinago tura matubia site bakwari ngikurusi bachandiro mu muro bande go ore irusire go
Nchomete tinta tibikori bina binta boni garo chinechi ngori gya bantu kaiga followers nke 100k followers na rio mete na ringori gigo na basanya abana bakondi nchikobe vixen alafu ono aga igo konte binga tine cyber kora town umate nchobo sioro rio bona bunta tageti tigando rikisabiri omito na roda anya kutorereti obo nonsense
okoenda gari natanyora basani batogoreke totenge bakabokise bono nande ntunya kuirana igo buraro gusetwanyolire already ase tore togotende akortori goso konyomunaye
oyo mangana yakuru
ntabi yange sababu enene nkina chayiru lakini tato mentone
soka ngochiga oire ranti yao chimena ntara miamingi gorobo nga manje bwacha kunyi amanje ngendo Otia
Saliri
Buyande.
Nake wachenchiriga. Nazinzo zina kwachenchiri wakinire
Nche ngoro abana busema sana.
No, kiramo kungoyo ngomangena kyotanyo meirore seino. Tatsomi no muntu bwate chibesara kiya sencho yokobe extravagant. Nabakungu bakamuko. Agatiko mukungu mona gachikonyo manyoko. Kwa kuboneka yafata romontore onananserevo.
Korrege ntonkira kare kulike. Ono okumnya kabuno vendorore.
Ago ngoba mwete muri bwe muri ka. Mwete ko baka mpaka. Ko baita nata. Oyo wala ko. Ochi. Oyo ko. Oyo wala.
Ngwa ngwe. Ngajibesa. Ngwa kandre ziak. Alganero. Na wate bi umpema. No metara ngoroku.
Chinza chindogotema kura musuru rarengera. Omanye mwango liritangani. Igai korukunga mwage sare.
Bwati omugano oyo iga ayemo aseyemo mechi maburo.
Ota Studios. Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Kujima mwantu murigererio KCTV ogendrete kubwatia umurobere bwenyoni emambi ya rero karibu nainde togendere gusangaso bwamo of course nensemo ya kabere yitu kwagere kunyara kumnyoka sensemo ya magazeti biro bya minyokire kegima ndochega igaza blono gutwachuwe ya gotebanga watching you live korwa chinsemo chirya chia enchoro bubasi ako live kabisa anapata kutufuata. Thank you so much mwinsi bali banste kubwate umurobere bwenyoni kera engaki na kunyara gusanga into emambi ya lero. Of course tunaenda sehemu ya magazeti and definitely it is katiba at 14 na basaiba they are going to have a referendum litkolia lero. I don't know collecting signatures unajua referendum mwezi amka siku moja ifanyike sio ngo tibare gusangire chisekiri litkolia lero guseba chagete litkolia igoro timetinga kiba begete mirobiro au njira bara kunyara kubwatira na kolende. Good morning, thank you so much. Chinse municha magazeti tubwate gazeti ya The Standard, gazeti ya The Daily Nation, gazeti ya The People Daily, amona Taifa Leo. Of course timu ya Nengima tuko hapa studio, tuko ngangari, tuko ready, tumejipanga kabisa. So kunyara kwene kibuna kwanyara kwenyora onsi ase enchira yoboikera no. Clinton Odigi, good morning.
Good morning, good to you. Good morning ochaso mwanchumo ligeria ase karibu sana sensemiga ya kabere ya magazeti ase litukeriga elia juma 4 chitarike chiga che emerongevere naisano nebere kotogeti gosanga amange na koligari yale aine kiwe kurwa se chinsemo aho kerto kwana se amagazeti litukolyara tuguchaka ne gazeti ya The Standard emambi ya lero tumanye nararia ya aire libagari litangania se gazeti ya Standard ebicherege mwancho muligari abunoroche ne yo muraibo mubwazimio la umoja one Kenya Alliance of Igoro murabi kama ya ODM party Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga. Gazeti ya The Standard ase page ya kane niyo kwa romo na yase nchirobo ikona siri ko limo mewatabanga man of the moment. Of course nobo maene Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga is the man of the moment litko riarero whereby the president Uyore William Ruto is expected to officially launch the Raila Odinga's AUC bid at State House with at least four African presidents expected to attend. This marks a significant milestone in the political life of Raila as it cements his stature as an African statement. For African presidents, I want to believe chinse andake chorogongo ru Africa ya mocha. Of course, we expect Tanzania and Uganda singencho. These are the I think they are the founder members of the East Africa community na andake balibande bara chekoba ba comment kana babira. I think Rwanda, Burundi bachikonya ko ba go so ensemeiga ya status. I think it will be for the very first time Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga agochiko ikirana status tane kwenda status kuru mwaka 2022 katika watachukura kuchakia bene the AUC bid. Mheshimiwa William Ruto kaigani awatabanga we have an opportunity to produce the next African Union Commission chairman and we must work together because it is not a position that belongs to a person but our collective responsibility as a country. Yine gazeti ya The Standard mugano yo senchira yobo ikano gago mwanchumo ligere to skansaiga gazeti ga ase page ya gatano limo ne page ya gatano na kabere ni gocho kwa mugano igoro about the anxiety as learners troop back to school. Emiroberio nigagenta te kwani ko kera barko bagenta ko so ase chi school au kero ko kwandra ugo chakwa vene kwa masomo se tamu ya gatata sumakoiga. A student accompanied by his parents returns to school in Eldoret yesterday. Parents in many parts of the country looked for affordable transport back to school. Most students complained of the rise in bus fare, which they claimed had doubled or tripled, with secondary school teachers on strike. Many were uncertain of what is to expect in schools as school secondary kiro choma somo tarane rubuya kirogo kwandra umugiro gwa bari mu sekombe gia kupet, that is Kenya post primary education teachers tuguska ensemo gega se page ye biashara mo Kenyans turn to digital lenders to cope. Faced with soaring food prices, a growing number of Kenyans households are increasingly relying on mobile loans to make ends meet. Page yemerongevere nagatano kabere achkonyaromogano yo asenchira yobo ikrano. What poor credit score means to you with the rejection of the finance bill and bad debt rating works, it is cut out for treasury bosses. Ase page 10 kabere onye kumanya bono ase ekiombe kirikia IMF Kenya rakoba gekobeka inse ya Kenya on notice kirokwa na poor credits finance bill failure and the debt ratings studying here what that means to you. Tokoska se page chikosori ase gazeti ya The Standard page yemerongene nigo bono watanga Ericsson dies after long cancer fight. Swedish football manager Sven Goran Eriksson, who coached England from 2001 to 2006, died yesterday at the age of 76 after a battle with pancreatic cancer. Asepeje merongena segazeti ga ochikonyaromugano yo gwechikosori asomo arokia oyiga gwechikosori we myake menge anya tukabaka gosiro bugima abwaye rituko rigoro nara ikura segazeti ya Standard ase ritukega ria Jumaine John timetuko sinora mona inche because Standard de goroche it is a man of the moment.
Yes. Rao. Yes.
Utakutana na mtu wa mitego pale State House. By the way. I would really want to watch a convoy ya Yasef.
Mtu wa mitego si wewe mwenyewe uliniambia, alisema he confessed ashatu wa mitego.
Yeah, ametoa, but now the feeling and the posture whereby atakuwa amesimama na huyu mzee alafu the entourage ya yake kirego swagari State House lero ngaki akoba received.
You know, the big thing that I will miss as a Kenyan, how it will be received, is I'll be missing things like Kenya Tora Mora Ilakawa Teko. You know, the kind of music, the kind of tension when it is heading to politics, the strategies are politics that he used to have. Now you want to tell us it's going to beat us bye-bye. Yani unataka kuniambia
watu wako wa mkono wamesema 2026 anaweza resign.
3 months to elect. Papers. No, but you know,
akienda Addis Ababa asisi hatujakuwa.
He was never an idle man, because even Ripua Kajipapo Cholibwa 2022 we had BBI and it was nobody can stop reggae. You know, nobody. So definitely, or it will be so sad. But you think atanyamaza like
atanyamaza
hata akiona Joho amepigwa
but I don't know the
Mbadi akikuwa impeached ama akikuwa fire hata resign kesho yake arudi Kenya wewe.
I think Babu Owino and Sifuna they are likely to take over.
Babu, by the way, yesterday kusababa saiba soke Rwanda mane, especially university students.
That is my opinion. As abantu bariba mentor in terms of political leadership. I think the only people remaining woni gabara again ready what is started, it's Babu Owino and Edwin Sifuna.
Na nini? Junet
alikuwa kwa rais weekend na msikia akiongea na of course sasa amepata kitu minority leader. I don't know. Pia Wandai was so vocal. Saizi ni wale serikali we had Joho babu wa stance ya very strong Oparanya, but sahi wako ndani. I think Sifuna and Owino are the only people remaining. Gaiga toske bosio elinda toswa se gazeti ya The Daily Nation.
Right.
Tumanye nkikere kurwase gazeti ya Daily Nation.
Ase gazeti ya The Daily Nation unamoroche bichaga hapo. I can see amazing photos pale. Kuna watu wameamua kupose katikati ya barabara. Watu wa matatu wa Kigoma wanacheza mpira na kati kwa barabara. Walimu wa Kigoma wana pose for a photo session. Ni vitabu my friend, si watu ya magari, si wanafunzi, si Gen Z. Bali ni walimu, you are teachers out there. Bakotebanga education, primary schools record low turnout even after NAT cancelled the strike. Standoff. Nalire talibekire gabo. Just one word with how many letters? 2, 4, 6, 8 letters. Dark in color, bold. With a big definition, deadlock. A 5-hour-long meeting between union leaders representing post-primary teachers and government officials yesterday failed to unlock a stalemate, signaling possibility of confusion deepening today when most of secondary schools are scheduled to open. Yesterday, the first day of third term, saw some high school tutors stage protest across the country. Peji ya kane ne peji ya gatano. Ngatara litkulegore town ya Bosongo. Magari leo pressure kukimbia munarudi trip. Nowhere. Sijui bookshop kupanga line ya uniform line. As much as kulikuwa na wanafunzi, yes, but it wasn't like muna tonality. Igore yarengeria kwa roho mwanafunzi kwa minyoka kwara musa kwa mubeka go chimoino, you know, because not at the bukiribaga. That was the situation, because munajua wako at the moment you miss this student ona mwingine si kama kitamba hayiro yunko nyorando yonde, and this is all because abarimu ba Kupet guseke mbekeri gitereta abarimu ya Kupet na NAT bataranyara gutwara ko igwana. Kupet wanaendelea na mugomo, NAT wamemaliza mugomo. Go ase gazeti ya This Daily Nation page ya 4 ne page ya 5 onyare konyora oroboti rwasenchira yobwekiranu. Then from mechanic to police chief, Eliud Lagat's meteoric rise, juu pale juu kabisa, juu, yes. From mechanic to police chief, Eliud Lagat's meteoric rise, ndio uzuri ya kuitwaga Lagat, Kiprotich, Kiprono, kwa regime. Rise, but I'm not saying that he never took the right route. Sepeji ya Kabere no baukwanera oroboti. Alafu Mombasa Cement NSSF failed over 350 million land. Peji Komi, of course, ukikosa corruption kwa gazeti utakuwa unaangalia gazeti gani, na utajuaje uko Kenya. Pale chini kidogo to scroll, picha ni ya Raila Amolo Odinga na William Samuel Ruto. Why Ruto Raila deal signaling return of Pentagon? You remember the Pentagon? Yeah. Okay, President Ruto has signaled a possible coalition with ODM leader Raila Odinga ahead of the 2027 elections. Alafu ile upande kingine itakuwa na nani? Tulisema possibility. Tukiangalia VAR tunaona Rigiji, Kalonzo Musyoka, Eugene Wamalwa. Bana Karua VAR bado na detect.
Prime Minister, we have Kalonzo.
Kwani wote watakuwa Mrima?
Kalonzo president, Gachagua
ina Kioni Jeremiah Murabe
tapewa interior and of course hiyo ni tu, alafu Kabere Nero tobwata Boniface Mwangi na Kasimwel. Coalition ni 2027. Yeah. Ingine hii sasa ndio itakuwa ina la uzito sana ya Mheshimiwa Ruto na Raila.
Hatutafika tuseme farasi ni wawili because 2022 we need the same.
Of course Kerogo chukikira deadline. Farasi wanakuanga wawili.
Okay. Aya, raising again cervical cancer peji ya Kabere Kereba kwa ni robo chenu Gorogari wanaongelelea pale, alafu pale katikati pia reimagining rural healthcare with cutting edge of technology. Alafu monkeypox vaccine unaiona venye inakaa, how it looks this other side here. Hiyo sasa. Ulidungwanga sindano gani time ya COVID?
AstraZeneca.
AstraZeneca. Sawa.
AstraZeneca. Ulidungwa gani? I injected AstraZeneca. Yeah.
Africa CDC warns over false mpox results. Continental Health Body says diagnosis should not rely only on laboratory tests. Alafu Ruto, NYS recruits will be trained on handling firearms. President Ruto, Inspector Guard of Honor during the 88th National Youth Service Recruitment recruits pass out parade at Gilgil yesterday. In fact, aliwaambia for the next 4 years kuna wenye watakwa KDF pale, kuna wenye watarudishwa Mativet wasome, kuna wenye watapata kazi, and that is the way to go. Awase aborokiwa 14,692 was the number of recruits who graduated from the NYS yesterday. 14,000.
Yeah. 14,000 wako na opportunity ya iyo kugendria se chisemi no wego opportunity iyo konyora chigasi no wego advantage ira so go growth kyombeke KNYS in terms of accessing government jobs in very easy, and go service delivery iyo konye serikali gukora service delivery which is wananchi, it is very advantage neroro. So abaiga bonsi they have a potential to ita proceed na chisemi kata siya serikali use kwenye kia unanko so abale ase ogokoreri wanasema ni kujenga taifa.
Chega hapo naongo kolera se gazeti ya The Daily Nation. Gazeti gani tena?
People's Daily ilinde otuira se taifa leo tukore tukaenda kuligetia kwa kitogo cha kwenye kiankwana ito lituko lia lero gazeti ya People's Daily mwanchumo ligeria sema mbia leo tena secondary school teachers down the chokes as the schools reopen epija gatano batangana lituko ya kabere bikiregane ya tayari secondary school babatebanga abari muniko babekire chichokanse and they are not ready for it paka serikali yikirendi alibagane tito kuskagaiga lilikulima mabanga jobs up for grabs in commissions page ya gatatu nigego chiko komugano the scramble begins for the plum positions after term of commissioners came to an end. Will it be another opportunity to recycle the old guard, because when I say join us a cabinet to already the old kings making a comeback, so kuna possibility but baukora emiremo igaiga hegazete batanga they can make a comeback. I can see here mo wakili the so famous man Chebukati noaregago tupate Irene Masid nagaiga tupate Margaret Mwachanya negatia bande mwanchumo ligeria bali kuna possible ya kurecycle. Do you think Gen Z watakubali
Chebukati? I remember hata alitafuta judiciary Kenyans who attest paka I think Ruto aliogopa kumtangaza. Hiyo ndo salamu yake ya kwanza ikulda. Yes kuoneka Chebukati. Aisi hata mimi naenda kumsalimia.
So we have a possibility of few of them making a comeback and magaye etamu yabo kwera. We'll see, and of course you are used to no matter hapa ni Kenya. Don't be surprised few of them wakirudi. The Generation Z, why Ruto fees model must collapse. Education, the brave youth say expensive university model to rob the children of the wretched of the earth of their dreams in favor of the proletariat. So the new funding model ni bato mchando sana. Gen Z wamesema hiyo lazima ianguke vicheregane umaraibwense kirariko sangane gati ya barkwa the university ya sensebe ya KICC ya somo begrupo na town hall. Those karaga queries after exit of help bows batenge pija gatano na kabere ayo tenete ekiombe help unyara kobaka gwetigia emeremo usonyara kobaka kurwase uburayobo asebono ekiombe kirigete konyoro umurai umuya the news beat pija gatano kabere ochikonyoro mugano yo asenjira yobo ikirano nara yo mancho mudigere kurwase gazeti ya The People's Daily Joanna na bago tuira sense meiga ya wale watu waluha taifa
waluha ya Kiswahili chambileto wahenga na waenguzi hawakulonga na kulongoa walipoamba na kuambua. Raila kuaga leo siasa za Kenya. Honestly, it will be I'll be among those who will cry. Like nimetengeneza tissue already, I'll cry. But I really doubt if he's really going to leave Kenyan politics. Anga marais watano wa nchi za Afrika watarajiwa kuhudhuria uzinduzi wa kampeni za Raila katika ikulu ya Nairobi. Okay, Samia Suluhu, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, Paul Kagame, South Sudan,
Evaristo Ndayishimiye.
Oh, you know you are
wa Burundi.
Oh.
Evaristo Ndayishimiye,
Paul
Kagame wa Rwanda. Samia Suluhu wa Tanzania na Kaguta Museveni wa Uganda.
Paul Kagame Rwanda?
Yeah.
Huyu watano tuweke nani? South Sudan, Salva Kiir.
Salva Kiir, Mayardit, kidogo na wala get crash.
By the way kuna floods South Sudan.
Yeah.
Kama jana over 132 people walibebwa na maji. So they have a scandal a crisis to solve. I don't know, but I don't know if they will be here. So hapa wanasema kwa heri. Raila anatarajiwa kutoweka katika siasa za Kenya na kuanza kujipigia debe kutua wadhifa wa tume ya Umoja wa Afrika AUC. Ukurasa wa pili wanazungumzia ripoti hiyo. Picha iliyo pale ni ya Raila Amolo Odinga. Alafu pale chini nikisonga kidogo, mgomo wanasema wakuu wa NAT wakaangwa kwa usaliti. Asekeria vitebe kirigari ya Colin Soyu ni amewekwa pale. Wanasema kamati ya wanachama wa kitaifa wa walimu NAT jana walilalamika tukio waliloita jana kama usaliti wa viongozi wao waliofutilia mbali mgomo wao kabla ya serikali kutimiza matakwa yao yote. Alafu Butagaiga Mwinogaiga ni wanachama wa KUPPET kutoka eneo la Nyeri na pande nyingine ni wanachama wa KUPPET Trans Nzoia walikuwa pale wakiandamana. Wanasema kwamba solidarity forever ama bado mapambano, serikali itabidi isikize. Julius Migosi, umemsikia akizungumzia hili?
Corona gasometani ukolia on Sunday. I think hajajitokeza. December tumekuwa ndio na kuna meetings zimekuwa zikiendelea backdoors
behind
ya chitaika leta senjering ya litukolikoro mshua na darongo genda na chire di ingane genda takolikoro because there is no time to waste, as they said. 2 months already 2 ama tukabera asirire wika bintu bikorwa sobwango.
Okay, director agendere kondigererio robotiro murai kwense akinyi moskewe William Samuel Rute kiranyerenga sechinse muchirie chia NYS to kodira magazeti pale juu. Wanasema onyo Chelsea kitamba EPL, kocha Maresca aonya mvamizi Modric kwa uzembe huku Blues ikiliza vikali Wolves. You want us to talk about the same? We can
I don't know what happened. I think Chelsea are so good. They hijacked Modric and we got Leandro Trossard, and you can tell Trossard is so good. And now Kolea Modric.
Modric is doing good. So you can't compare Modric to Leandro Trossard.
I'm happy Chelsea hijacked Dio Modric. Otherwise, guys. Sisi ndo tumekuwa tunasumbuka hapa.
I tell you.
Trossard is so good.
Okay. Hamna tatizo. No problem. No problem. Okay, NYS kupewa mafunzo ya bunduki. Rais agiza vijana wafunzwe namna ya kutumia silaha hiyo ili wawe tayari kulinda nchi. Asepeji ya Kanet Maitiko sa director umepata hiyo ripoti. Asomura ibwense ya Kinyomoske William Ruto. Anyartubiki na nasi chinsemo chiria chia Gilgil eregere enyariko wabuna erapap kurwa asensemo ya magazeti.
Najua ya kwamba
Banyarade
najua ya kwamba kuna vijana wengi wangependa kupata nafasi kama ile nafasi hawa vijana wamepata. Nataka nitangaze hapa kwamba tutaongeza vijana ambao watakuja katika National Youth Service. Nilikuwa nimesema pale 2023 ya kwamba tutaongeza 5,000 kila mwaka mpaka tufikishe vijana 20,000. Intake inayofuata tutaenda kwa kila kijiji, kwa sababu NYS ndio service peke yake ambaye inaweza kufikia kila kijiji. Na sababu hiyo tutaongeza wale ambao watapata nafasi ya kuja hapa katika NYS kutoka hawa 15,000 mpaka 20,000 baadaye mwaka huu na mapema mwaka ujao. Vile vile ningependa kusema ya kwamba hawa vijana, kwa sababu wanatoka mashinani, nimesema ya kwamba watapata nafasi ya kwanza wakati tutakuwa tunatafuta askari wa jeshi, askari wa polisi, askari wa KFS, askari wa KWS, kwa sababu hawa vijana wanatoka jamii za mashinani na hawatapata nafasi hiyo if we don't do it with affirmative action. Na ndio sababu nataka niwaeleze wazazi hawakufanya makosa kwa hawa vijana kuungana na National Youth Service. Ningependa kusema vile vile hawa vijana watakuwa na sisi kwa miaka 4 ijayo. Tutakuwa na wao wakitoka hapa kwa mwaka mmoja, watafanya huduma ya taifa ama National Youth Service, na watakuwa chini yetu na tutawachunga. Baada ya hiyo tutawapeleka katika training. Kila mmoja wao atatoka akiwa na aidha taaluma ama masomo ya aina fulani. Na kufuatana na hiyo, meambia Wizara ya Elimu, wakati tunafanya equipment ya technical training colleges zile zingine katika Kenya, pia tutaongeza equipment katika technical training colleges za National Youth Service. Ndio hawa vijana vile vile wapate nafasi mwafaka na mzuri wa kupata masomo katika National Youth Service. Na waeleza wazazi ya kwamba hawa vijana tutawafundisha taaluma tofauti na hawatalipishwa pesa zozote. Serikali ya Kenya itagharamia masomo ya hawa vijana.
Nyare gwaka esimigo chia ase omwakili egere mambia lero nyare gosanga about katiba at 14 this beautiful morning. Na anene mono, when we are talking about the same tutekorigere katiba at 14. Okay, let me make this call kumwakira wakili. Hello, morning. Okay, good morning. I'm trying to make a call. Kindly weka simu silent. Okay. Tunaenda sasa mwende studio tokuirana ni nyare gwaka esimiga tunyare gukwana na wakili Wilkins Ochoki this morning egere tunyare gukwanira katiba at 14 no mugine nyare gwikina na studio tuchunyare gusanga ywe munayanda mange. Thank you so much John Kwamboka na Lili Italiano.
From the heart of Africa, where dreams are born and passion is boundless, a new wave of talent rises. In La Liga, these extraordinary athletes are not just playing the game, they're transforming it.
¡Estamos aquí, somos campeones!
Dani Rodriguez, the man chasing, it's Lamine Yamal! What a magnificent goal that
They
is!
shine on the world stage. Watch as they redefine football, inspire millions, and make history. La Liga, where dreams become reality.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Lazaon Hotel no mubagani ogutoka imyomo chobosongo asora gende kwegokia na kuriendagirira bwanche tekegima ase amagori ensemono. Lazaon Hotel nigebwate obokoreri au egatiabo a reception aso kwegwa obokoreri gose obokonyi bonde bwansi oraganye bobote jikoni ase bakoroseria chindagira chingiya ekyo kwegwa ase amagori ensemono. Boigomba bwate ba gose ensemo yo kwegokeria asogo tegerra matera maya amo nebinyuwa au nkonya bale omubagani oyo gaboigo no bwate a boardroom ase ogokorera mikutano y'abantu abake na boigomba bwate a conference hall ase emikutano y'abantu abange egokoreka. Lazan Hotel ne bwate chinyomba choboraro echo chire chisize au na bono chibwate eofa ase metenyebere gocha ase chirabeiga chinyomba cha executive quality nigo chiagweriria magori yabo kurwa chiribu isano nemo weka chiribu isano deluxe quality na chirecho kogweria amagori yabo kurwa chiribu 4,500 weka chiribu isato na 500 standard quality boigo kogweria rigori ryabo kurwa chiribu isato na 500 weka chiribu bere na 500 inyuranga ase chinyombe chiga chionsi nigo kwegwa breakfast gose endagira ya mambia boigo oinyorenga eofe yeiga nigero ase metenyebere yoka. Lazaon Hotel ne wate omobagani ndomo kego se a branch ekorokwa Lazaon Annex Hotel. Yoboigo ebwate a hotel amonensemo yokwego kya ase amagori endagera amone binyugwa arensemono. Boigo ne wate chinyomba choboraro echo chibwate eofa yemekenyebere echo konyora ase siringeri bweyemo yoka echo chagure korwa erweyemo na 500. Lazaon Annex Hotel nigo egotoka angina Lazaon Hotel ase junction ya Nyangongo ase para ya Kisi Nyamira Highway. Nyokabo nyore obokoreri obiyekegima na kwegokia ase rigoririense mono. Asamange bakirisimi wetrase number 0705935500. Lazaon Hotel for quality foods and services.
Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Furahia Star Times. Enjoy our amazing channels with the best dramas and telenovelas daily. Discover your love language.
Will you marry me?
Words of affirmation.
I'm sure I like you because you're unlike everyone. You are my baby.
Quality time.
Life isn't worth living without you.
Receiving gifts.
Thank you.
Acts of service. And physical touch to build a love that lasts. Furahia Star Times. Buy the DTH decoder for only 2,999 shillings and top up 200 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the Smart Bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go, anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Wate tarike gucakira chitariki ibere cy'umutinyo kyanda mechi maburo.